Hey guys, how's it going today? So, a question I got for you guys. Locking nuts or no locking nuts? Went to rotate my tires today, and all down the left one is all lifted and everything, and the key broke. So obviously you can see it's pretty bent, beat up. I don't know if it's 20 years old, who knows. But yeah, what do you guys suggest? Locking them or not locking them? What a pain. It was always the hardest one to get off. My impact gun would hardly take it off. I usually would have to use the breaker bar. So don't know which way I want to go right now. So most people know already the way to get one off if you don't have one is you get a socket that's just slightly smaller, or that would have a tight fit, and you just bang the snot out of it with a hammer and turn it out like a normal socket. Mine's 19 mil worked. So yeah, I don't think I'll use that again or worry about it. So the next question, yeah, whether I want to get a locking nut or not. Let me know what you guys think. I'd love some input. I know I've heard that the Gorilla brand might be a little better, a little heavier duty. But yeah, hope that helps if anyone comes across this issue. Otherwise, I would love your input. Thanks guys, have a great one.